Hello and welcome back to another nail video. Today I'll be using this Rosalind gel polish set. Rosalind was gracious enough to send me these gel polish colors to review for you all today, so thanks so much to them, and let's get right into the video. I'm starting off by swatching the colors, and as you see here, this color is so pretty. It's a glitter clearish color, and it has a bunch of iridescent colors on it. It is so nice. I love it already. And here's the second color, and by the way, I think I forgot to mention this is the pink gel polish set. So all of the colors are a different variety of like a light pink or kind of like a mauve color, but yes, I already love the polish. I think it has a really great consistency. It is not runny, and it's pretty thick, and it's easy to apply, easy to glide onto the nail. So yes, I'm definitely in love with that. And yeah, I'm just gonna continue to swatch all of the colors so that you all can get a better view on how they look once they've been cured. And these are how the nails look after they've been cured for 60 seconds, and I apply a second coat. So cute. And I'll also be using Rosalind Clear Poly Gel to complete this set. My nails have already been prepped and I've already applied base coat, so I go right in with the poly gel directly on top of my nail, and then I pat the poly gel in place as I mold and shape the nail, and I go ahead and glide the poly gel down towards the free edge because I don't want the nail to be too thick. And I remove any excess poly gel before I go ahead and cure that nail for 60 seconds. And then I repeat this process on all my nails, so I'll just let you all watch and enjoy. my 180/100 grit nail file to shape the nails. As you all know, shaping is my least favorite part, but I'm practicing every day, to get that crisp nail shape. But if you have any tips or tricks, please feel free to comment them down below. And these are how the nails look after they've been file shaped and buffed. And now it's time to polish. Oh, also this is the soft pink gel polish set from Rosalind. And when I tell you, these colors are so pretty. And the polish is definitely quality polish. It's a good consistency. The polish isn't separating, and it definitely has good coverage. So if you're interested in purchasing this soft pink gel set from Rosalind, I will leave a link in the description box down below, as well as a link to the clear poly gel that I used in this video with a discount code that can be used for a percentage off your purchase. And since these colors are so pretty and soft and elegant, I wanted a simple but cute design to match. So I'm doing flowers today. I start by using my dotting tool to make 3 small dots close together and then in the shape of a circle. Then, as you're gonna see here shortly, I use my liner brush to pull down the polish from the edges to give my outline for my petal, just like so. And then I go ahead and place a dot in the middle. And I think this flower is simple, but yet so cute. And these are how the nails turned out. Super cute. These colors are very chic and essential for your collection. I'm telling you now, you won't be disappointed. So again, if you're interested in purchasing this gel polish set or the clear poly gel, I will leave a link in the description box down below. Thanks so much to Rosalind for sending me these colors to try. And as always, I want to thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next new video.